Greetings, driving enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the topic of idiot cams, better known as dash cams, bringing you the ultimate compilation of top contenders in Best Dash Cam 2023 to help prevent you buying a piece of shit. Skipping all the hype, we found people want a dash cam to catch on camera, those idiot drivers that have no consideration for others on the road. Others purchase them as they are seeking to ensure you have documented footage of that other class of idiot, the one that damages your car in the parking lot, then quietly sneaks away so they don't have to pay for it. Owning a dash cam allows you to capture the idiot's details so you can forward it to your insurance company and prevent you having to pay for those idiots' behavior and increased insurance costs. Whether you relate to one of the ways a dash cam can protect you or you can relate to all of them, these dash cams promise to make your journey safer and provide you with the means to ensure you have the evidence to have the full backing of the law against those Muppets. In this countdown, we'll be highlighting some phenomenal options. The Nextbase 622GO, loaded with futuristic features. The compact yet powerful Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Nextbase 522GO, seamlessly blending innovation and utility. The trusty Garmin Dash Cam 57, offering reliability on the road. The budget-friendly Nextbase 320XR, proving that quality doesn't have to break the bank. But that's not all. For those of you who stick around till the end, we have a special treat, an exclusive bonus review of the Vantrue N2 Pro. So, if you're ready to upgrade your driving experience and capture these dickheads on camera, stay tuned for this thrilling countdown of the finest dash cams the year has to offer. Links to the most updated pricing on all the products are in the description below. As prices move around and placing it in the video doesn't allow for times when they might go on sale. So be sure to check the links as you might snatch up a bargain. Number 5, and kicking off our thrilling dash cam countdown is the Nextbase 320XR Dash Cam. This impressive gadget brings a whole new level of affordability and convenience to the table. Featuring a wide field of view spanning 140 degrees both front and rear, the 320XR captures a comprehensive perspective of your surroundings in crisp 1080p resolution. Whether it's the scenic beauty of the open road or the unpredictability of urban traffic, this dash cam ensures you won't miss some jackass sneaking up on you. While it may lack GPS functionality, the 2.5-inch screen keeps you engaged with clear visuals. Its sleek, compact design seamlessly blends into your vehicle's interior, adding a touch of modern tech to your dashboard. The 320XR truly shines as an all-in-one dash cam solution that won't break the bank. Despite its highly affordable package, it doesn't compromise on basic features you'd expect from a reliable dash cam. However, it's worth noting that the footage might be slightly fuzzy at times, a small trade-off for its accessible price point. So, if you're in search of a sleek design, affordability, and a solid dash cam experience, the Nextbase 320XR could be your perfect road companion. Just keep in mind that while it lacks some advanced features, it offers an enticing package that's hard to resist. Stay tuned as we journey through more impressive dash cams on our countdown. Number 4, cruising into the 4th spot on our countdown is the Garmin Dash Cam 57. This camera offers a fantastic blend of features that won't break the bank, making it an enticing choice. Sporting a 140 degrees field of view and recording at an impressive 1440 resolution, the Dash Cam 57 ensures that every detail of some dumbass is captured with remarkable clarity, all the way down to last night's dinner still caught in their beard. Its compact size seamlessly integrates into your vehicle, while the 2-inch LCD screen keeps you engaged and informed. But what sets the Garmin Dash Cam 57 apart are its remarkable safety features. For those driving without advanced driver assistance systems, this dash cam steps up with forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and even notifications for traffic signals and speed cameras. Imagine having an extra set of eyes on the road, guiding you through every twist and turn, and preventing you from doing something stupid. The innovative parking guard, live view, and automatic cloud backup guarantee that your recordings are safe and accessible, even in the unexpected should occur. Built-in voice controls add a touch of convenience, allowing you to manage the device hands-free. With the ability to connect to additional cameras for comprehensive coverage, the Garmin Dash Cam 57 offers more than meets the eye. Number 3. The Nextbase 522G Go may not boast all the bells and whistles of its advanced sibling, the 622G Go. This model impresses with its practicality and impressive functionality, all wrapped up in a more budget-friendly package. Featuring a wide 140 degrees field of view and a choice between capturing stunning 1440p footage at 30 frames per second or smooth 1080 at 60 frames per second. This dash cam ensures your recordings are crystal clear if law enforcement ask you if you caught that turkey on film. The 3-inch touchscreen adds a layer of user-friendly interaction, putting the controls to rewind to the footage of that Muppet at your fingertips. Daytime video quality is exceptional, capturing the essence of your journey with remarkable detail. The sleek and compact design blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior, while the inclusion of a polarizing filter ensures vivid image quality, even when the sun shines too brightly. Nextbase has also thrown in some clever features, including Alexa voice functionality. Although out of the box, it may not recognize your style of swearing. It also has an emergency SOS mode and compatibility with various rear view and interior models. However, it's worth noting that night vision might be a bit challenging in low ambient light conditions. Number 2. Gliding into the second spot is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Don't let its compact size deceive you. This little powerhouse is of the philosophy that size doesn't matter. Despite its discreet demeanor, the Dash Cam Mini 2 delivers outstanding video quality with its 140 degrees field of view and 1080p resolution. Its diminutive form factor ensures it seamlessly blends into your vehicle's interior, avoiding any distractions on the road. While it may lack a display and onboard GPS, its voice control functionality allows you to effortlessly manage the camera while keeping your focus on the drive. Beyond its size, the Mini 2 boasts some substantial features: forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, speed camera, and stoplight notifications. It's like having a co-pilot for your journey. And with the Garmin Vault, your recordings are securely stored in the cloud, ensuring peace of mind. The true strength of the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 lies in its design. It's so compact that it practically disappears on your windshield, minimizing distractions and maximizing your driving focus. Before we reveal our top pick, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. We're almost at the finish line of our countdown, so stay tuned for the ultimate dash cam contender that takes the crown. Number 1. Drum roll, please. Claiming the prestigious top position on our exhilarating dash cam countdown is the Nextbase 622G Go, a true masterpiece and the reigning champion of dash cams. If you're ready to invest in the pinnacle of dash cam technology, this one's for you. The Nextbase 622G Go redefines excellence with its unmatched feature set. Don't let the plain design fool you. This dash cam is a powerhouse. With a remarkable 140 degrees field of view and an awe-inspiring 4K resolution at 120 frames per second, your recordings will be nothing short of cinematic. Imagine the crystal clear footage captured on that half-wit's face as you flick them the bird. It also has built-in image stabilization, ensures silky smooth footage, capturing every detail without a hint of blur. But the 622G Go doesn't stop there. Alexa voice controls, enhanced night vision, and extreme weather mode elevate your driving experience. The polarizing filter minimizes reflections that could otherwise spoil your footage. And in a world-first move, an integrated emergency SOS service contacts first responders when you're unable to, ensuring your safety. The integration of what 3 words technology ensures precise location information, accurate down to 10 feet or a 3-meter area. The 622G Go also seamlessly pairs with Nextbase's rear-view camera to keep an eye on what's happening behind you. Bonus review. And for those of you who stuck around, we have an exciting bonus review of the Vantrue N2 Pro. This dash cam didn't make it into the top 5 list, but you may be attracted to it by its lower price. It has a dual-view dash cam that offers a unique perspective on road safety, albeit with a few limitations. With a wide field of view of 170 degrees for the front and 140 degrees for the rear, the N2 Pro captures the complete picture. While its 1440p front and 1080p rear resolution ensures you'll have a comprehensive visual record, the overall footage might display some graininess and occasional lens flare. Despite these minor hiccups, the videos remain clear and valuable for monitoring your surroundings. The adjustable rear camera angle adds to the versatility, letting you tailor the setup to your car's interior. However, the N2 Pro does fall short in terms of modern features. Lacking GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, accessing your recordings might prove slightly inconvenient. Sadly, there's no companion app to bridge this gap either. But considering its competitive price point and the inclusion of a secondary camera, the Vantrue N2 Pro makes for a worthy contender. If you prefer a streamlined solution for both front and rear coverage without the fuss of two separate modules, this dash cam could be better than nothing to defend you against the dipshits on the road. And there you have it, our thrilling countdown of the best dash cams of the year. From the feature-packed Nextbase 622G Go to the discreet power of the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, we've explored an array of options that can defend you against that dipstick that isn't paying attention. Now, it's your turn to chime in. In the comments below, let us know if you're Team A for the sleek design of the Nextbase 320XR or Team B for the compact awesomeness of the Garmin Dash Cam 57. Your input fuels our passion for creating content you love. Links to the most updated pricing on all products are in the description below. You never know when these might go on sale, so be sure to check them out to see if you can grab a bargain. Don't forget to show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. Stay connected with us for more exciting reviews, comparisons, and top picks in the world of new technology. Until next time, safe travels!